In the heart of a bustling space station, a unique group of explorers prepares for a thrilling expedition. These aren't your average explorers. No, they're RoboPets, each brimming with personality and equipped with futuristic skills. They scurry around, ensuring their spaceship is primed and ready for the voyage. The air is thick with anticipation, the hum of the station echoing the excitement. Their mission? To discover the uncharted territories of the galaxy, a journey fraught with wonder, mystery, and adventure. As the countdown begins, the RoboPets brace themselves for an adventure of a lifetime. Among the crowd stand our heroes, the RoboPets, each with their distinctive abilities and personalities. First, meet Gizmo, the genius mechanic. With a wrench in one hand and a blueprint in the other, he can turn a pile of scrap into a spaceship. Then there's Luna, the explorer. She's got a nose for adventure and an eye for the unknown, always ready to dive into the next big discovery. Next up, meet Bolt, the speedster. Quick on his feet and quicker with his wit, he turns every situation into a fun-filled race. And let's not forget Nova, the team's guardian. Strong, brave, and always looking out for her friends. She's their shield in times of danger. Lastly, we have Jester, the entertainer. With his bag of tricks and a heart full of laughter, he keeps the team's spirits high. With their diverse skills combined, the RoboPets are a force to reckon with. As the spaceship lifts off, the RoboPets embark on their galactic expedition, their spirits high and hearts filled with wonder. They journey through the vast expanse of space, leaving behind a trail of stardust. As they venture further into the unknown, they encounter sights beyond their wildest imaginations. Alien creatures of incredible shapes and colors, landscapes that defy earthly logic, and celestial phenomena that leave them in awe. Each RoboPet, with their unique abilities, contributes to the exploration. They navigate through nebulous gas clouds, dodge shooting stars, and even engage in a friendly game of interstellar tag with a comet. Their journey is not without its challenges. From deciphering alien languages to figuring out how to refuel their spaceship with starlight, each hurdle is met with determination. Yet every challenge faced, every hurdle overcome only adds to the thrill of their adventure. Each new discovery a testament to the vast and unexplored beauty of the cosmos. In the midst of their journey, the RoboPets face an unexpected challenge that tests their unity and individual abilities. As they navigate the vast cosmos, they encounter a peculiar space knot, a twisted labyrinth of cosmic dust and gravity that seems impossible to pass through. Each RoboPet springs into action, their unique skills suddenly becoming the keys to their survival. The agile RoboCat, with its sharp reflexes, nimbly maneuvers through the tight corners. RoboDog, with its powerful sensors, maps out a safe path. RoboBird, with its high-tech optics, keeps an eye out for incoming space debris, while RoboFish, with its advanced programming, calculates the quickest route. Their personalities shine as they banter and work together, turning a dire situation into a thrilling, problem-solving adventure. Their camaraderie and determination are infectious, reminding us that unity is strength. With teamwork and determination, no challenge is too great for our brave RoboPets. After a series of adventures and discoveries, the RoboPets make their way back home, richer in knowledge and experiences. The journey back to their bustling space station is filled with laughter and chatter, as each RoboPet shares stories of their favorite moments, their biggest surprises, and the lessons they've learned. Back at the space station, there's an air of celebration. The RoboPets, once a group of mismatched characters, have grown into a tight-knit team, their bonds strengthened by the trials and triumphs of their journey. The once quiet space station is now filled with the sweet harmony of friendship and camaraderie. Each RoboPet brings back something unique from their journey. For some, it's a newfound bravery. For others, it's a deepened curiosity. Yet for all, it's a sense of accomplishment that they've explored the uncharted, faced the unknown, and returned triumphant. The RoboPets gather around, sharing their experiences, their discoveries. They laugh at the memory of bizarre alien creatures, marvel at the stunning cosmic landscapes they've seen, and ponder the peculiar phenomena they've encountered. Their stories, their laughter, their shared experiences echo through the space station, a testament to their incredible journey. And as they celebrate, they look out at the stars, their hearts filled with wonder and anticipation. The galaxy is vast, filled with countless mysteries waiting to be discovered. As the stars twinkle in the vast cosmic canvas, the RoboPets look forward to their next adventure, ready to unravel more mysteries of the universe.